Law of attraction, The Secret, positive affirmation, vision board. You tried everything, but nothing is working for you. And now you're frustrated because of all your struggles, delays, hard work. And now you don't know what to do. It just happened because you don't know the right way of doing it. Understand this, because all people are different, we all are different, and our choices are different. Then how can you use the same method to create a vision board? So welcome to the Astrologer Hinaya channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to create a vision board by using Vedic astrology and numerology to make it more effective to achieve your goals and dreams. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is vision board and its category, how to make it lucky for you, which color we have to use, which time we have to prepare, and which direction we have to keep, and which mantra we are going to use. We are going to see all these things in this video. Now we will understand what is vision board. Vision board is simply visual tool which will help us to focus on specific goal by it just representation of images, words. So we can just understand, okay, this is my goal and target I have. And it's just a simple creative way where you can focus on your dreams by visualizing it. And it's a simple manifesting technique which will help you to focus on different parts of your area like health, career, relationship, and money. Now you need to understand its category. So we will categorize it in 3 parts. So you can check on the screen. So first one, we will categorize it as a short-term goal. Second one, we categorize it as a mid-term goal. And third one is a long-term goal. Now you need to understand what is short-term, long-term, and mid-term. So short-term goal is something which will achieve in 0 to 6 months. And mid-term goal is something which will achieve in 6 months to 1 year, and long term goal is something we will achieve in more than 1 year. So now understand that short term goal is something you will achieve in 6 months. So it can be buying an iPhone or any branded clothes. And second one is a mid-term goal. So you can achieve in within a 1 year. So it can be going on holidays with your family, or you can just buy any vehicle, that can be possible. And now third one is a long-term goal. So it can be achievable in more than 1 year. So it can be buying a house or property or running successful startup. Now let's understand how to create it. Creating vision board is a creative process. So here you have to become little creative. And before that, you need to identify what are your goals you have in your health, in your relationship, in your career, in your money. So what are the things you really want in your life? And after that, you need to gather all its representation of visual representation, its material. You need to identify these are the things I want. So visual representation you should have for that. And now you should have a sheet or board where you can post all these pictures. And now make sure that it should be in yellow color. It will help you to attract your goals fast. And now you can post all these pictures on board and make it little attractive. So where whenever you are going to see that, you should feel like it's my goal, it's my dream, it's my life. In future, I'm going to live this life. So it should be little attractive. And whenever you are going to see that, you will be fall in love with that. So make it that attractive. And now you will think how many goals I should keep, 10, 50 or 100. So here you need to keep as a 5 or 15. Either one number you should pick, because these two numbers are very auspicious in numerology, and it will help you to achieve your goals and attract your goals. And now let's understand which direction you should keep your vision board. You should keep your vision board in west direction. And now you might think that west direction wall is very big. So where I should keep, in the left or right or in center? So here you need to find out exact location of W4. So for that, you just open your compass and see where W4 is coming. And once you identify W4 direction, just post your vision board over there and see its magic. Because many people say you just have to post your vision board or your wish or your desire in the west direction, and then it will be get fulfilled. But exactly where you have to keep, no one tells. But here I'm going to tell you, you need to open your compass and you need to identify where is the W4 direction is coming, and there exactly W4 you need to post your vision board and see its magic. It will help you to achieve your goals very quickly. And now you might think that I prepared the vision board, but where I'm going to use the Vedic astrology. So here we are going to use the Vedic astrology's very powerful mantra which will help you to achieve your dreams very fast. So this mantra is Sarva Siddhi Karya mantra. You can see on the screen. Om Reem Shreem Kleem Mama Sarva Karyadhai Sadhyay Swaha. So write this mantra on top of your vision board with green pen, and every day while looking at your vision board, you just have to chant this mantra 11 times or 21 times and just see its magic. You know what, this mantra is very powerful, which will fasten the process of your manifestation. So now let's understand at what time you have to prepare. So it will be the specific time for everyone. It will be different for you, for me, for everyone it will be different. So for that you just need your kundli or your chart and see this one as a 11th house. So if you don't know the 11th house, this particular thing, what is the number it has written over there, you just need to identify. So first you need to identify what number it has. It is a 2 or 5 or 10. So let's suppose if it is a 10, then you can check on the screen. I have mentioned the list. If it is a 10, it's a Capricorn, and the ruler of this number is Saturn. And if it is a 2, then it will be the Taurus, and its ruler is Venus. So here you need to identify which number it has written and who is the lord of this. So once you identify that, and after that you need to understand what is Hora. Hora is a every hour some planet is going to rule. And once you got that number, then you will get the planet, and now you can check that planet's particular Hora. So type on the Google today's Hora. It will be the specific for every place. If you are staying in the Hyderabad, just type it as a today's Hora in Hyderabad. If you are staying in Mumbai, then type today's Hora in Mumbai. If you are staying in America, then today's Hora in America. Now let's suppose in your 11th house number 4 has written and its lord is moon. So you need to check the moon Hora. So you have to prepare your vision board in moon Hora. Now let's take another example. Let's suppose in your 11th house 9 number has written. 9 number lord is Jupiter. So in Jupiter Hora, you need to prepare your vision board, and every day in Jupiter's Hora, you have to see your vision board and you have to chant this mantra every day 11 times. And now you just need to believe in it. You don't have to think how it will work. You don't have to keep the doubt in your head. Then after few days, you will see its magic and you will be surprised after seeing that. Now this is all about the vision board. I hope you like the video. Now share your goals in the comment and share your thoughts in the comment. So we'll meet in the next video. So till then, Hari Om.